My dear viewers, today we shall watch general construction of vapor lamp and metal halide lamp and their wiring. So let's watch. Although nowadays LED type floodlights are being extensively used in substation, generating station, railway station, playground, even used for street lighting also. But even today, sodium vapor or metallic halide lamps have sustained their importance in every sphere where a huge illumination is required. Sodium vapor lamps are very useful to penetrate fog. Various types of such lamps operating 70 watt to 1000 watts are available. My dear viewers, please remember rating of lamps, rating of ballast and igniter should be same for a particular system. My dear viewers, an appeal, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.